Hello, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now take a look at what I have here. Here I have some amazing anti-aging facial moisturizer. This is a moisturizer that can help to transform your skin. It's a moisturizer that you can use on your skin AM and PM. It will take your skin to the next level, and best of all, I'm using just a few ingredients in this. A few ingredients that are rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. I like to take this moisturizer and I like to just rub it in my hands like this, and then I just like to press this moisturizer on my skin like I'm showing here, and then I like to just massage it on my skin. I massage it on my forehead, I massage it in my deep laugh lines, I just lift my sagging jawline, and oh my goodness, this have my skin just looking bright and radiant. So what are you waiting for? Follow me to the kitchen. I'm going to share the full detailed recipe with you, and I'm also going to share some tips on how to get the best result from using this on your skin. Now here I have a fresh aloe vera leaf, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to extract the gel. Now aloe vera gel is rich in vitamin C. It helps to clear spots and blemishes from the skin. It also helps to hydrate the skin, soften the skin. It helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. It is great for sunburn. It is also cooling on the skin. It is great to use on the skin in the summertime. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to extract the gel from the aloe vera leaf. So here I already have some fresh aloe vera gel, which I blend. And if you do not have the fresh aloe vera gel, you can choose to use some store-bought aloe vera gel for this recipe. So I'm going to be using about 2 tablespoons of the aloe vera gel. Pour this in the blender. And now let's move on to my second ingredient, which is milk. Milk is rich in lactic acid, help to get rid of dead skin cells on the surface of the skin. Milk also helps to hydrate the skin, and it's a perfect natural ingredient to use topically on the skin, freshen the skin, and help your skin to look younger, fresher, and healthier. It also helps to give your skin a natural glow. I'm going to use about 3 tablespoons of the fresh milk. Now for this recipe, if you do not have milk, you can go ahead, you can use almond milk. You can also choose to use soy milk instead of the fresh milk. So here in our blender, we now have aloe vera gel and milk. Next, we're reaching for some oils, and my first oil is avocado oil. I'm using the avocado oil for its rich vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E properties, and also omega-3. I'm using about 2 tablespoons of the avocado oil, adding this to the blender along with the milk. My next oil is sweet almond oil, and sweet almond oil is rich in vitamin E. It's a very light oil, making it great to use topically on the skin. Will not clog the pores, and it will also help to hydrate the skin, and it's perfect for most skin type. I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of the sweet almond oil. I'm pouring this in the blender along with the milk, the avocado oil, and the aloe vera gel. 1 tablespoon of sweet almond oil. My next oil is castor oil, and castor oil is an all-rounder oil for the skin. You can use it on your face, your neck, your décolleté, and also your body. I'm using about a teaspoon of the castor oil. For this recipe, I like to use the Jamaican black castor oil. However, use whichever one you have. I'm going to be using some vitamin E oil in this, and vitamin E oil is going to help to preserve this, but it's also very great for the skin, hydrates the skin, soften the skin, and help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. I'm using about a half a teaspoon of the vitamin E oil. Use more or less depending on your IU. Once this is done, we are going to cover and we are going to blend. We are blending aloe vera gel, milk, castor oil, sweet almond oil, avocado oil, and vitamin E oil. Blend to a creamy consistency. Now once this is done, take a look. Here we have our aloe vera milk facial cream. So we're going to just pour this in a small bowl. Just look how rich, how creamy this is. Now if you have vegetable glycerine, you can choose to add about a half a teaspoon to this recipe. You can also choose to add any of your favorite oil, such as cacao oil, rosehip seed oil, or even marula or squalene oil. Now once this is done, I'm just going to give it a stir up close for you to see how rich and creamy this is. This is your anti-aging facial moisturizer. Now reach for your storage container. You can pour it in a small jar or a bottle. Just make sure it is sterilized. And this you can choose to keep in your refrigerator for up to 7 days. This facial cream is rich in antioxidant, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E. It is also rich in omega-3 fatty acid. It's a facial moisturizer that will help to hydrate the skin, soften the skin, remove wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. This facial cream, you can use it on your skin AM and PM, and a little goes a long way. So take a few drops, not as much as I have there, and you're going to apply this on your face, your neck, and your décolleté. I like to take this moisturizer and I like to just rub it in my hands like this, and then I just like to press this moisturizer on my skin like I'm showing here, and then I like to just massage it on my skin. I massage it on my forehead, I massage it in my deep laugh lines, I just lift my sagging jawline, and oh my goodness, this have my skin just looking bright and radiant. So what are you waiting for? Follow me to the kitchen. I'm going to share the full detailed recipe with you, and I'm also going to share some tips on how to get the best result from using this on your skin. There you have it. Thank you all for watching. You like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, and don't forget to leave those comments. I can't wait to see those comments. So comment.